go over to my profile plot, and then I can define multiple paths, right? I can say I only have one path in here, but I can come in here, say pick, and I want to look down let's say a pipe run. I can come in here, select a pipe, come over here down to here. It'll find my path there, right click, say done, and I can call that a different path, right? I can hit save path, it's got it saved, and now I can see I got multiple paths, right? So I can come in here, take a look at a path. This is that main one you saw earlier. We'll just say plot profile, and we can see it. We can see where the pipes are intersecting. We can see our hydraulic grade line. You can turn on your energy grade line. You can turn this on so it's just an outline. So if you just want an outline view of it, you can do that. If you want to put labels in there, you can turn on labels, turn them on and off. You can take this, you can export this out to AutoCAD. You can push it over to MicroStation. You can generate a PDF file of it, and everything's all customizable there. We can go in and we can change the pipe diameters on the fly here. I can come in here and say I want to change that to a 48 inch, and it bumps it up to 48 inch. Of course, I got undo and redo in here, right? I can undo that pipe diameter and get it back down. If I want to go and adjust an invert, I can click on my little pencil tool, grab that and change that invert, or I can come down here and I can type in the value, right? I can change what that value is there. And again, of course, I can undo that, right? And if I want to do stuff what they call hang the pipe crown, just hit the little button. It'll hang your pipe crown automatically, right? Or if I want to go and adjust this up and down, there's commands to inch that up and inch that down. Now this is our pre-developed case. We're going to switch over to our post-development, and then we're going to go in here and compare this with our pre-dev. So now you can see all this plotted right there, right?